Good morning, gentlemen. I have chosen the topic AIDS. And first of all, I would like to tell you about what is AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome, and it happens by the virus which is known as HIV, which stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. And how does this impact a whole individual, a whole human? I will going to tell you about. First of all, whenever it First of all, the medium of transmission I will talk about. It transmits when you do the sexual intercourse with your partner, as well as if that partner is being diseased by the AIDS virus. Secondly, it will also transmit by the infected syringes, as well as if you have taken the donation of the blood, and that blood also has been donated by the HIV positive person, then also this can also infect you. Now what happens when this virus get inside to your body, it start attacking your immune system. In our immune system, our white blood cells are responsible for our defense of the body, and this virus while entering the body start attacking on the white blood cell. Due to its non-detectable skill, as it get hidden inside the DNA of a cell, so it becomes very hard for our immune system to find it out. So in that way, it hides itself and start killing our white blood cell. Because of which, the quantity of the white blood cell reduces, our immune system start becoming weaker day by day. And after month and year, we start feeling weakness. And because of that weakness, we get prone to many diseases like flu, pneumonia, and as our immune system is already weak, we will not be able to fight for it longer, and because of that we become very prone to death in the later stage of life if it has not been brought to the attention of a doctor. The protection that we can do for it is, while doing intercourse we can use condoms, we can take other we have the condoms for females also, as well as we can also talk about the true reality that has happened between the partners and what is the life issue that has been going around in the past life, so that we can make it at an early stage only. Second thing, we can ensure while taking the infected blood from the banks, from a designated banks only. It should be well tested by the doctors before. Second thing, we have a misconception around us that AIDS happen even by sitting with each other, even by talking with each other. So gentlemen, I would like to tell you that it is not a dead disease like a corona that spread by talking and breathing. It only will spread by the thing that I had mentioned before in this whole topic. Thank you.